So here's how to fix League of Legends Reconnect bug or stuck in Reconnect loop. So first, what you gotta do is right-click on the Windows or the League of Legends icon, and then go to Properties and Compatibility tab. Make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is checked, and Run this program as admin is also checked. Next, click OK. Now you want to go to the C drive or wherever you installed League. Go to Riot Games folder, and then League of Legends, and right-click League Client. Go to Properties again, Compatibility tab, and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and run this program as admin. Click Apply OK. Now you can try to reconnect again to the game, and if this still does not work, what you can do is open the Riot client, and then click on your account logo, and then go to Settings, and in here select League of Legends, and click on the Repair button, and then wait for it to repair the client and fix any corrupted files if there is any. Next, what you can do is change the DNS settings by opening Windows Settings and then searching for Network, and click Ethernet Settings. And in here you want to click Edit DNS Server Assignment, and then use this DNS 8.8.8.8 and set the DNS settings to manual. Enable IPv4, and for the alternate DNS we want to use 8.8.4.4. Now press Save. Now you can simply close this and try opening League again and reconnecting to your game. Now if that still does not solve the problem, try to reboot your PC and reboot your modem or router, and that should generally fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.